Hi everybody, I'm going to show you the steps to putting together your final photo album photos, okay, by mixing or adding in the photo of yourself with the green screen in the background with the travel destination photos that you selected for step one. So the first thing that you need to make sure you do is download the green screen photo of yourself to your device, and also download the destination photo that you want to use. Okay, so you should be able to find them in the downloads folder on the actual device that you're using, whether that be a laptop, a school computer, a Chromebook, whatever it happens to be. So I'm going to find my photo in the downloads section on my device, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it over onto my Photop canvas, which can be found on photop.com. So you just type that into your browser and open up this website. So I'm going to drag my destination photo, and here you can see I've chosen Ottawa to be my destination for this photo. Then I'm going to click File, Open and Place, and I'm going to add in the green screen photo of myself. Okay, there I am. Now, in order for me to edit this photo, I need to right-click on the photo layer in the Layers tab on the right side, and I'm going to click Rasterize, and that will allow me to edit this photo. And the first step in editing is I'm going to erase the majority of the green screen background to make the rest of the editing much faster and easier. Now, some of you will have an eraser tool right in your left-hand toolbar. Mine is hidden behind the brush tool, so I'm going to right-click on the brush tool, and I'm going to click on the eraser tool, and I'm going to make my eraser bigger in size by clicking on this down arrow, and I'm going to raise up the bar to make it bigger. Can even make it bigger than that, okay? And then I'm going to simply click and drag over the green screen that I want to erase, okay? And it will protect your photo underneath because you're just editing the photo layer that I've selected over here. So make sure that you are selected on the green screen photo and not your destination photo, because you don't want to erase parts of that. And if you do by accident, you just click Edit, Undo. Okay, so you can see I've gotten quite a bit of the green screen background erased. Now I'm going to zoom in, and you can do this in a couple different ways. You can use the mouse and zoom in and out with your mouse, or you can use the view and zoom out, view, zoom in feature on Photop, okay? And I'm going to make my eraser smaller and try to get, again, as much of the green screen outline erased as possible to make this quick and easy. Just try not to erase yourself, because it will erase part of you. And if you do by accident, again, just click Edit, Undo, and try, Edit, Undo. And then try to unclick every once in a while so that when you edit and undo, it doesn't take you too far back. And you're erasing. Okay, I'm even going to try to make it a little bit smaller and just get in between here just to make sure that the software will differentiate. Okay. So I think that's good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the magic wand tool, which is hidden behind this object selection tool that looks like a jelly bean. So I'm going to right click on this tool, and I'm going to select the magic wand tool. And then I'm going to click on the green screen on the part that I want to delete, and I'm going to make my feather 0. Okay. And I'm going to click the delete key or the backspace key, depending on if you're using a Chromebook or a keyboard or what have you. So I can just keep clicking on the parts of the green screen and then clicking delete, get rid of them. Now I'm going to decrease my tolerance a little bit. And you'll see that the chunks that the magic wand tool is picking are smaller. So I'm going to increase this a little bit and see if I can get more of the green screen selected. So that made it much easier. So by increasing the tolerance, you are telling the software that it can select more of that green screen, more of the colors that it thinks are similar. But this will also make it more likely that it will pick up on your clothing that it sees as well. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Oops, see. So there we go. It took part of my pants there as well. So I'm going to click select, deselect. So I'm not selecting any part of my photo, and I'm going to lower the tolerance in this area to try to prevent that from happening. There we go. Much better. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the way this looks. I might select my eraser tool again quickly and just try to get some of these small details fixed. Oh, I need to click deselect again. Okay, doesn't need to be perfect. And some up here as well. Okay, and there you have it. There's my photo of myself with the green screen removed. So now the next step is to move and to resize your image to fit where you want yourself to be positioned in the photo. So I'm going to select the Move tool, and I'm going to click on Transform Controls, and this will let me adjust the positioning, the size, the orientation of the photo of myself. Okay, so I want the photo of me to be a little bit smaller than this. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key on my keyboard, and that will keep the dimensions of my photo the same. So you'll see that the dimensions of this image remain accurate. If I don't hold down the Shift key and try to adjust the sizing, you'll see that the image of me gets distorted, and we want to try to avoid that to keep with the realistic nature of this photo. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to go back. I'm going to hold the Shift key. Oops. You can rotate your photo too if you want to. But I'm going to And I'm going to position myself so I'm kind of posing with the Parliament Hill in the background. If you want to get rid of the line just to see what it looks like, you can click Transform Controls, and then that box around the outside will disappear. I think I need to be still a little bit smaller. Okay, not bad. So now when I'm finished editing my photo, and I encourage you to play around with some of the other functions of PhotoP to make your photo even more realistic if you want to. So you can crop your image, and if you want your feet to be hidden under snow or something like that, for example, you can add in images on top to hide parts of your body if you want to make them fit better into the photo. So I really do encourage you to have some creativity with this, but when you're happy with your final image, you're going to click File, you're going to click Export As, and you're going to export as a PNG file, because we know that PNG files are high quality image files. Now PhotoP will give you a little preview so that you can see the quality of your photo. So I'm looking at it and I think it's fine. I'm going to click Save, and then it's going to save my photo to my device. And there we have it. So now I can upload this image into my Google Drive and turn it into the Google Classroom. Okay, thanks for watching.